Okay, let's shift gears slightly to climate change because the urgency there is just immense.
It really can't be overstated.
We need to remember governments agreed in Paris to limit warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius, aiming for 1.5.
But where are we actually heading?
Well, current trajectories point towards maybe 2.2 to 4.4 degrees by the end of the century.
Which is dangerous territory. Beyond 1.5 degrees, you're looking at severe drought, sea level rise, ecosystem collapse.
Catastrophic impacts.
Yeah.
And that's why the corporate response is so critical, so urgent.
And that's exactly where science-based targets, SBTs, come in.
Right. Explain those briefly.
Okay, SBTs are basically greenhouse gas emission reduction targets that companies set. But the key is they're aligned with the science, the pathways needed to actually limit warming to 1.5 or well below 2 degrees compared to pre-industrial levels.
So it brings scientific rigor into corporate climate goals. And why are businesses actually adopting them?
Precisely.
It's not just PR, right?
No, not at all. Our sources show real advantages. SBTs can boost competitiveness in the low-carbon transition.
Drive innovation.
Definitely drive innovation, enhance credibility, reputation.
Mm-hmm.
It shows leadership. It's actually proving to be good for business.
Got any numbers on that?
Yeah, some compelling ones. The Low Carbon Technology Partnerships Initiative, for instance. It could potentially deliver 65% of the needed emission cuts by 2030 and channel maybe $5 to $10 trillion in investment, support millions of jobs.
That's huge.
And here's a surprising one. The top 100 U.S. electric power generators. Between 2008 and 2013, they cut CO2 equivalent emissions by 12% while increasing generation.
That really challenges the old idea that growth has to mean more emissions.
Exactly. It shows it's possible, even at scale.
And the investment community is noticing this, right? With initiatives like GICCC, SASB, TCFD.
Yes, the financial world is definitely signaling a shift. They see the risks and the opportunities.
Please click the button below to watch the full video.